So after months of hard work and training, I finally achieved my goal of getting 10 muscle ups in a row. And I came across this interesting video where a former average guy learns the slow muscle up in just 23 days. He goes from this to this in just 23 days. So I asked myself, how long would it take me to get the similar results? Oh, so what is a slow muscle up, you ask? Well, it's a muscle up that's controlled and has no kipping at all. And it uses a grip called the force grip, which technically just means wrist over the bar. As you can see, it makes it look really easy, which I am going to make it look soon enough. So after watching countless people perform the slow muscle up, I started my journey. As you can see, I can't even do a pull up at the moment. As you can see, my wrists are hurting. Then I tried again. To my surprise, I nearly did it, which is kind of weird because a few minutes ago I couldn't do it at all. Then I tried again, and as you can see, I got it, but it's a chicken wing and I got assisted by the rack, so it doesn't count. Since I wasn't used to the force grip, my wrist hurt really bad, so I took some days off, took some rest, and I went to a local park just to see if I can do it, and yes, I kind of did it, but obviously it was a chicken wing, so I don't really think it counts. Then I took off my shirt. Maybe this will give me some powers. Find it. Not this time. Or maybe. As you can see, that was decently clean. I was very happy. And I was like, at the moment, I feel like I can do one more. But nope, not this time. So the next day, I went back to the park, tried again. This rep wasn't good at all because I cheered myself there, not locking out my elbows at all. This was a decently good rep, but I felt really good that day, so I gave it another go. Okay, I'm just concentrating there. Back to my mindset. Oh, one rep. And I started smiling because it felt so easy, so I was like, let me go for another go, and that felt easy as well. Look at me just being cocky there, just looking at the camera. Just chicken winged it, but hey, progress is progress, right? So I wanted to work on my force grip. So in the gym I did a lot of ring dips and ring muscle ups. Because to me the transition between the ring muscle ups and the slow muscle up was almost identical in terms of just throwing your chest across. But to my surprise, I tried a day after and this felt so easy. So easy, felt so natural to my surprise. There's a second rep. Let's see the third rep. Do I have it? Yes, I do. PR and that. The next day, I tried again. And oh my god, that just went so easy. I was so surprised. I was like, how is it so easy today? Just rushed it a bit, but yeah, went for my fourth rep. And nope. we'll get soon. I took some days off, and this happened. Those are so clean, right? So I felt so confident that day. So I was like, let me just try the air walk. And yeah, just got it. Like it was nothing planned. I just tried it and just got it, kind of thing. Because I felt like I kind of got the movement down in terms of when to transition and like what muscles to use. I feel like if you use your shoulders a lot, helps a lot, like engaging your shoulders. This was my result after 15 days. Let's see what happens.